What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I'll also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making up to $400 per hour. That's right, $400 per hour. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Imagine getting paid to read books out loud. In fact, this website here called acx.com does just that. When you come over to this website, you will see that the audiobooks on this website are sold through these online retailers, such as Audible, owned by Amazon, Amazon.com, and iTunes. Now let's scroll down and see what this website offers. You will see, are you an actor or a producer? Engage your skills, forge relationships, and earn extra cash. Upload a few samples and find projects you want to produce, right? So as a voiceover actor, you will click on this section. And then on this page, you will click on find a book for your voice. From here, you will see titles accepting auditions. There are 2,319 titles available for a voice actor to choose from. On the left hand side, there are tons of different filters that you can choose from. Let's go over to genre here, and you can see they've got arts and entertainment, classics, history, romance, self-development, travel, comedy, kids, non-fiction, sports, right? Health and fitness, religion and spirituality, and then you can pick a gender, whether male or female. Compensation, so this is where you get to choose how much you want to get paid per hour. So the pay ranges from 50 to 100 per finished hour, and then 100 to 200, 200 to 400, and so on, right? I'm actually going to show you a couple of books that are paying this much, right? It's insane, and it's an amazing opportunity right now to jump in. And the other option is to get paid by royalty share. This is where the author gives you a percentage of the sales that they make, right? So this is a long-term, like passive income type of play. So the options are available and you can choose one or the other. Or sometimes some books offer both. They will pay you per hour and also give you some royalty share percentage. So that was the profile filter. Now title filter, so you can choose fiction or non-fiction. And then language, accent, vocal style, voice age, so young adult, elderly, and so on. And then project length. So let's now go over to genre. Let's go with romance. Apply. Okay, so as you can see here, estimated length of this book is 9.5 hours. And then the project budget is 200 to 400 per finished hour, right? So it's an amazing opportunity for you to actually earn anywhere from 200 to 400. So let's actually grab our calculators here. So 200 on the low end per hour, so times 9.5, that is 1900 that you would make under 10 hours, guys. And then on the higher end, it would be 400 times 9.5. That would be 3,800, guys. It's insane for someone to earn this amount of money to just read books out loud and literally just make money off their voice. The word count for this book is 88,000. The language that they're looking for is someone that can recite the book in English. And then about the title, so it's fiction, English, gender, they're looking either for a male or a female, character age, they're looking for an adult, and then accent, American Midwest, vocal style, engaging. And then to audition for this book, you would just click on the audition button over here. Audition upload instructions, so record your best performance of the provided audition script. You can actually watch a video that explains more in how to do it. And then you would upload your audition in MP3 format and then enter any message for the owner or any notes that you want them to see. Once you're done recording your voiceover, you would just upload it through here and then submit your audition. It would be reviewed, like I said, and you'll hear back once you actually get the book. Okay, so for this book here, The Best Man Wins. The estimated length is 6 hours. Project budget is either royalty share if you want to go that route, or $100 to $200 per finished hour. So you can see the pay is good, and you can easily earn up to $600 for this project, or $1,200, right, on the higher end. They're looking for a female in this case, adult, and then genre is in romance, and you can see it has good rating on Amazon. It has 4.3 and 153 reviews, right? So it's a good selling book. So if you want to go the route of getting royalty, you would get a percentage of each book that they sell. And then to audition for this book, same thing as the other one. You would download the script, and then once you record your script to the best of your abilities, you would upload it as an MP3 format, and then you would submit it over. Okay, so for this book here, Bougie, the estimated length is 5 hours, and the project budget is $50 to $100 per finished hour, and the word count is 46,697. So it's slightly lower than the ones that we have looked at earlier. So it's not bad. You're getting paid $50 to $100. And the language is English. Territory is worldwide. Same thing. If you are to apply for it, you would come down to the audition section and then download the script, record yourself, and then upload it and submit it. Alright guys, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there are 2,325 titles accepting auditions. You can apply for them right away. There are tons of different genres that you can choose from, and you can also select your compensation that you're comfortable with, whether that is from $50 to $100, $200 to $400. To be successful at this side hustle, my only recommendation is to have a microphone, a quality microphone, a headphone, if possible, a microphone stand and pop filter, and recording software, guys. With that, I will end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.
Develop the ability to act. Take action. Not hasty if it isn't required, but don't lose much time. Here's the time to act. When the idea is hot and the emotion is strong. That's the time to act. You say, Mr. Run, I'd like to have a library like yours. See, if you feel strong about that, what you got to do is get the first book and then get the second book. Before the feeling passes and before the idea gets dim, action pronto, action immediate, action as soon as possible. Because if you don't, here's what happens. We call it the law of diminishing intent. We intend to when the idea strikes us. We intend to when the emotion is high. But now if you don't translate that into action fairly soon, now the intent starts to diminish. And a month from now it's cold.